Hey, health warriors, welcome back. Today, I'm thrilled you're here because today we're tackling a topic that's absolutely crucial for anyone over 40 who's looking to shed those stubborn pounds. Get ready to revolutionize your mornings and kickstart your weight loss journey like never before. Did you know that what you eat for breakfast can make or break your weight loss goals? It's true, and it's even more critical after 40 when our metabolism decides to play hard to get. But don't worry, I've got your back. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss our upcoming videos packed with life-changing health tips. We're about to uncover the 7 breakfast mistakes that could be secretly sabotaging your efforts. These are game changers, folks. Trust me, number 5 will absolutely blow your mind. Let's dive right in. Mistake 1. Starting your day with a sugar bomb. Those colorful cereals and tempting pastries? They're setting you up for a blood sugar roller coaster. When you eat high-sugar foods in the morning, your blood sugar spikes rapidly, followed by a crash that brings intense cravings and hunger. Instead, opt for complex carbohydrates paired with healthy fats and protein. Try steel-cut oats topped with nuts and cinnamon. It'll keep you energized without the sugar crash. Mistake 2. Forgetting about protein. After 40, maintaining muscle mass is crucial for overall health and metabolism. Aim for 20-30 grams of protein in your morning meal. This could be a couple of eggs with Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie with plant-based powder, spinach, and berries. Prioritizing protein supports muscle health and keeps you fuller longer. Mistake 3. Skimping on fiber is your secret weapon for weight loss, especially as you age. It aids digestion, controls blood sugar levels, and keeps you satisfied. Most people don't get enough. Start your day with a fiber-rich breakfast, add chia seeds to your smoothie, choose whole grain bread, or enjoy high-fiber cereal with fresh berries. Your digestive system will thank you, and you'll resist mid-morning snack cravings better. Mistake 4. Skipping breakfast altogether. You might think skipping breakfast saves calories, but it can actually sabotage your weight loss efforts, especially after 40. When you skip breakfast, you're more likely to overeat later and miss a key opportunity to jumpstart your metabolism. Even if it's just fruit and nuts, eating something in the morning can significantly impact your energy levels and ability to make healthy choices throughout the day. Mistake 5. The coffee-only trap. While coffee is great, relying solely on it for breakfast is a weight loss disaster. Here's why. 1. Caffeine temporarily suppresses appetite, making you think you're not hungry. But by lunch, you're famished, leading to overeating and poor food choices. 2. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach can cause jitters, anxiety, and digestive issues. Instead of making coffee your breakfast, have it alongside a nutritious meal. Mistake 6. Falling for healthy marketing traps. Grocery stores are filled with breakfast foods claiming to be healthy. Granola bars, breakfast biscuits, flavored yogurts. They sound great, right? But many are loaded with added sugars and empty calories. Always read labels. Look for options with minimal added sugars and a good balance of protein and fiber. Better yet, stick to whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Your body handles an apple and almond butter much better than a processed breakfast bar. Mistake 7. Neglecting hydration. Sometimes when you think you're hungry, you're actually just thirsty. Starting your day well hydrated can help control your appetite and boost metabolism. Try this. Keep a large glass of water by your bedside and drink it first thing when you wake up. This simple habit rehydrates you after sleep, kickstarts digestion, and helps you distinguish between true hunger and thirst throughout the day. There you have it. The 7 breakfast mistakes that could be sabotaging your weight loss efforts after 40. Now that you're aware of these pitfalls, you're better equipped to make healthier choices and reach your goals. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Let's make every morning count on this journey to a healthier, happier you. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest breakfast challenge? Finding time to eat in the morning? Kicking the sugary cereal habit? Or maybe figuring out high-protein options? Drop a comment below. I read every single one, and your input helps me create content that truly serves this community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more life-changing health tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay motivated, and keep crushing those goals. See you in the next video.